Welcome to Project Succeed. Today we're going to show you how to start up your system. So before we get started, make sure you grab everything that you need. So you'll need your full Project Succeed kit without your light. So that means you need your nutrients, you're going to need your tub, you're going to need your 12 pods, your rock wool, your seeds, your pH tester, as well as something to measure your nutrients with. So today we just have a typical tablespoon. So to begin, we're going to start by filling the system with 32 liters of water. So we've already gotten it started here today. We're going to need to put a little bit more in. So you can do this through filling up 2 beef buckets or by taking a pot like we're doing today and filling it up. So today we're going to be starting the process with lettuce seeds. However, it's the same process for no matter what type of seed you're growing from. So your bell peppers, tomatoes, you would follow the same process. However, we encourage you to use your manual, which is found on sucseed.ca under the instructions tab, and follow along with the exact fruit or vegetable that you're growing. The nutrient content will be the only thing that will be any different from the process that we're doing here today. So once you have the 32 liters of water in your reservoir, you're going to start by adding a combination of the 2 green nutrients. So for lettuce, we're going to add 16 milliliters of Optimal A, the green one, and also 16 milliliters of Optimal B. Now, every time you add nutrients, it's very important that you stir it for a long period of time. The different concentrates of the nutrients, the reason why you have to stir it so much is because they'll neutralize each other if you mix them all together. So we recommend that you thoroughly stir each nutrient when you put it into the tub for 1 minute. You'll know that you haven't stirred your nutrients correctly if you're starting to see a buildup of salt along the tops of your drippers once you've started your system. So now we're going to add the green Optimal B. And stir again. So once you've put in the nutrients for your required plant, whether it was your bell peppers, your tomatoes, or your lettuce, next you're going to have to check the pH. You can find a pH chart at the back of your Succeed manual, which will tell you the exact pH quantity that you need for each different vegetable that you're growing. So today we're doing lettuce, so we're going to be looking for about a 6 pH. You can find the instructions on the back of your pH tester. Typically, it's between 3 to 5 drops that you'll need to put in. So for us, we have a little bit of an orangey color here today, which is a pH of 5. So we're going to add pH up to the system. You'll keep adding your pH up or down till you reach the required pH level based on what you're growing. We recommend that you add about a tablespoon each time and continue to stir. You can also use different household items in order to lower or raise your pH. So that's things like baking soda in order to raise your pH, or things like lemon juice in order to lower it. You keep doing that until you're within the range of your pH. So once you have your nutrients, the next step you're going to do is putting it into your pump. So you take the pump, you're going to screw in the middle size piece to the top of your pump, which is found in the box. Then you take the bottom of your system, press it on, and stick your pump to the bottom of the system. Next, you're going to take your cord and put it through the back side of your system where you'll find the 1-inch hole. So once you put your top in your system, you're going to take each of your 12 pods and fill them about halfway with rock wool. From there, you're going to move on to one of our next videos, either germinating your seeds within your system or germinating your seeds in a tub. Other things outside of that, you're going to have to set up your light. Depending on what it is that you're growing, your light will need to be anywhere between 1 foot to 4 feet away from the top of your system. This can be hung by contacting us and purchasing one of our Succeed stands, or hanging it off of a tripod, a ceiling tile, or whatever location that it is that you're growing your system. So thank you for joining us here at Project Succeed on starting up your system.